Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your daily energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We'll be picking few cards, Leos. So, first for your daily energies, for your career situation, and love situation, guys. We'll be picking few more cards. So, first for your relationship, I'll be picking few more cards, guys. So these cards will answer specifically to your relationship, guys, your situation, and these cards are for your career situation, Leos. So we will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily energies. It's Nine of Spheres in reverse, Postulant of Stars, and Five of Suns in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, Leos, maybe you are in a circumstance today, you are coming in quickly giving your advice or counsel to people, or it may be someone in your situation, they are ready to give you counsel or suggestions regarding something they know or something they do not know, they do not have that clarity about, but they are coming forward with those suggestions without that deep thought. So you have to be very careful if you are in that position, if you are in that situation listening to that person. You have to have that clarity, guys. Think twice before you take that any important decisions. And I also see that in your situation today, some kind of doubts are there, you don't know what is the right action maybe, and some kind of conflicts you are seeing in your situation today, guys. That may be the reason you are ready to listen to people, their suggestions, but even that you have to be really careful, because there are people who are trying to work against you, maybe trying to pull you down, uh, trick you, or deceive you in some ways. And I also see that your habits, guys, maybe you are indulging yourself in some, maybe for some of you, some form of addictions you may be having. So again, that is working against you, Leos. Today you need to be careful. If you have any addictions, you need to go for moderation, guys. That is also what I see with these cards for your daily energies, Leos. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship first. The first card, guys, it's Four of Suns, Three of sorry, guys, the Empress, and Eight of Suns in reverse. Empress in reverse, guys, and Eight of Suns. So in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in this connection, in this relationship, maybe regarding this relationship, there is someone who is, we saw the same energy with the previous cards, guys, someone giving you the wrong guidance today. So it may be regarding your relationship. Again, we see the same energy with these cards, guys. So someone is here to separate you both, guys. You need to be really careful. So this person does not love you, does not like you, or this person. So they have their own views about this relationship, and they may be an important person you in your life. You may have that trust and love concern on them, but in truth they are not reciprocating that same positive energy towards you. So you need to be really careful with them, guys, Leos. So this person does not have that true concern for you, and they are simply trying to separate you both. You need to be really careful, guys. And also, in this connection with this person, this may be someone in your life, or this may be someone in their life, your person's life. So the reasons may be jealousy, guys. They are quite jealous of how you both are in this connection, how that deep understanding that you both have in this connection, the way you both are compatible. You both are, maybe you have that great uh, attraction towards each other. You both look like you are made for each other. So that may be the reason that certain people are quite jealous, envious of you both, and they want to separate you both. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your relationship. So let's see what are the cards for your career, Leos. What are the cards? It's Prince of Suns, Prince of Suns, Three of Suns, and Four of Stars, guys. So with these cards in your career situation, guys, Leos, I see that maybe for some of you, you are just thinking maybe some new paths are opening in front of you, approaching you, some offers or some choices are coming towards you. uh, Maybe for some of you it may be a travel to a different place, a city or a country for work, but you are thinking whether you need to take it up. Maybe you are thinking about the pros and cons in that work, and you are still deciding. And I see that you are an important person in your career. Maybe you are a team leader or a manager, someone whose job is very important for everyone else. So you are in important position, making some important decisions today, and you are making this decision with clear thinking, guys. That is what I see here. And you have that perfect vision about your future, your goals, what you need to do, what you need to reach. So all that is giving you that confidence, strength, and determination to do the right actions. So that is the reason we see that deep thinking today, guys, Leos, with these cards. So that is what I see for you today, guys, Leos, and that is the reading. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.